Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gore on Guitar and to a great song from Morray featuring Cordae. It's called Still Here. So we have three chords that is going through the whole song here in the same order, and that is great. We love these easy songs here. So let's start right away. No need for any capo on this one. We have first the D. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord will be E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be F sharp minor. So you put a bar there on the second fret, all strings, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. So that is the chord progression: D, E, and F sharp minor. So if you just wanna scale down everything, it will be down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. Alright, so that is how it goes, the basic. So down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, and pause, and down, clap, down. Like this, okay? All right. You can also add this little melody going on there after this F sharp minor. Alright, so as soon as you play the F sharp, sorry, if we go from the beginning here, from D, that is how it goes. And this melody is in the F sharp minor chord to begin with. It's on the second fret E string, so the note you bar here with your finger. Then you go to the fifth B string. Then you play the second B, which you also bar here with your finger, second B. And then you have the fourth G and second G, which you also bar. So second E, fifth B, second B, fourth G, and second G. So it will be D clap down on E clap and F sharp clap and then D again. Alright, so that is how it goes, and you can also add more downs to it if you wish. This is by feel, okay? So you can play and so on. This is just the basic, and I believe you should stick with that, since that is kind of how it is done in the song. But you could also make it your own and go release everything and play in your way. The main thing here is to keep the rhythm and the timing. Changing the chords is very important for the song. So otherwise, that will be Morray and Cordae's Still Here. So good luck with this one, guys. See you soon and play tuned.